In this video, I'm going to show you how to move files from OneDrive to your hard drive quickly and safely on Windows. This is a simple process, but there's one important detail to understand first. If the file is only stored online in OneDrive, you need to download it fully before moving it. That way, you don't end up with a broken shortcut or a file that disappears later. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open File Explorer on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look for your Microsoft OneDrive folder in the left-hand sidebar. This is where your synced cloud files are usually stored on your PC. Now open the OneDrive folder and find the file or folder you want to move. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct item, especially if you have a lot of documents, photos, or folders saved in OneDrive. Once you've found it, click once to highlight it. Next, press Ctrl plus X on your keyboard. This cuts the file, which means you're preparing to move it instead of copying it. This is the key step if you want the file to end up on your hard drive rather than stay in OneDrive. After that, open the location on your hard drive where you want to store the file. This could be a different drive like D: or E:, or it could be a specific folder you created for backups, project files, or downloads. You can browse through File Explorer until you reach the exact location you want. When you're in the correct hard drive folder, press Ctrl plus V to paste the file. Windows will begin moving it from OneDrive to that new location. Depending on the file size, this may happen instantly or may take a little time. If it's a larger folder or a big video file, just wait for the transfer to finish completely before closing anything. Once the move is done, your file will now be stored on your hard drive instead of inside the OneDrive folder. That means it is no longer relying on OneDrive Sync for that location, which is great if you want local storage, more control, or easier access without cloud syncing. Now, if your file only exists online in OneDrive, there is one extra step you need to do first. Right-click the file and look for the option that says Always Keep on this device. Click that option and Windows will start downloading the full file to your computer. This is very important because you can't properly move a cloud-only file until it is fully available offline. Wait until the download finishes completely. You may see a progress indicator while OneDrive syncs the file to your device. Once it's finished, repeat the same steps. Cut the file with Ctrl plus X, go to your hard drive location and paste it with Ctrl plus V. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can move files from OneDrive to your hard drive and keep them stored exactly where you want them. This is a great method for organizing files, freeing up cloud space, or backing up important data locally. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more clear, step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.